Hello, greetings from Boonri. Today's GK topic is why do we get pimples? What can we do about pimples? Watch ahead. Pimples are also called acne. They can affect the face, neck, chest, shoulders, upper arms, or even the back. While acne can occur at any age, it differs from person to person. It is most common in adolescents or youths, with nearly 85% of individuals between the ages 12 to 24. If your parents had acne as teens, it's more likely that you will have it too. But the good thing is that for most people, acne goes away almost completely by the time they are out of their teens. So, what causes acne in the first place? Take a look. Why do we get pimples? Beneath our skin are glands called the sebaceous glands. These glands secrete oil that's called sebum, which is an oil that lubricates your skin. It moisturizes it and prevents it from getting overly dry. Most of the time, the sebaceous glands make the right amount of sebum. Sometimes the amount of sebum secretion is more. Due to this, it gets clogged beneath the skin. That's because of the dead skin cells that the pores get clogged. Then what happens is that area of the face starts getting bacteria which starts multiplying. This causes the swelling or the bump on our skin. Those are the pimples on our face. So our body immediately takes corrective measures by sending immune cells in that area. These cells in the face help fight the bacteria and get rid of them. It also sends blood cells. It's due to these blood cells that the pimples appear reddish in color. So, what can be done about pimples? Take a look. To help prevent the oil buildup that contributes to acne, what can we do? Wash your face with water or with a mild soap, or use a face wash. Apply it gently and wash your face. Once you're done with washing your face, don't scrub your face hard with a towel. Just lightly tap on the face to absorb the water. Scrubbing may actually make it worse by irritating the skin, causing even more pimples to break out. Next, avoid touching your face quite often. If you look in the mirror and see those pimples, don't touch it, squeeze it, or pick at it. Why? Because the skin on our hands also has oil, and this oil from our hands, when comes in contact with the pimples, will only worsen it further, and popping the pimple will push the bacteria even deeper into your skin, causing more outbreaks. So it's best to leave it alone. For some women, even if they don't apply too much of makeup or they always wash their face properly, they can still get acne. In fact, many girls get acne just before their monthly menstrual cycle. Why? Because the body undergoes hormonal changes during that period. The fluctuations in hormone levels results in more oil being produced, causing more pimples to be seen. This is an absolutely normal thing and nothing to worry or stress about. It's a natural occurrence. If the acne is too severe, then a skin specialist doctor can help you with the right treatment.